Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's video was supposed to feature a major Aventador mod. FedEx was going to deliver that mod yesterday, it's today, and it still has not arrived. So that could happen, it also, well, it might not. Also, there's this sick house up in Park City. We're gonna try to go look at it today. The realtor hasn't quite gotten back to me, so once again, could happen, also might not happen. Tomorrow, we are flying off to a foreign land in the Far East. Also, Audi R8, real carbon fiber. The red is gone if you did not see the last video. Aventador door, she don't squeak no more. I didn't actually fix her, she just doesn't squeak. Yes, I see it, the dreaded check engine light. I let Nick drive the Aventador yesterday. That vlog is coming to his channel soon, link in the description below. Shout out, he was driving it and the car pulled a check engine light. So also, Jeep Wrangler 6x6 conversion update. I just talked with my favorite Jeep builder who has a 6x6 kit, $300,000 for their kit. So that dream is effectively dead. Not really, but it is, well, with them it is. Anyways, moving on. What do you think about me buying the new mid-engine Corvette when it comes out in 2020? Yay or nay? I think it could be cool. The check engine light is gone. Sayonara, baby. Also in other news, the parts just arrived, so we're chilling. We're now chilling. Ooh. We have the Huracan Spider and the GT3. I've discovered I'm driving my Aventador way too much. 16,750 miles. I've put 3,000 miles on this car in 4 months of ownership. That annualizes to around 9,000 miles a year, which means in about a year's time I'll have 25,000 miles. Aventadors don't really get to 30,000 miles. I mean, they can, they just don't. So from a valuation standpoint, the value of my car is... It's raining here in Salt Lake City. It never rains in Utah, right, Toby? It never rains here. Also, you see these bits right here? This ain't gonna be carbon fiber. What's up, Ty? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So, Ty doesn't even know what we're doing today. The box just arrived right there. It's a Lambo day here. It makes and model. We have the twin turbo Huracan from Hefner, and then we have Jason's Super Trofeo right there. But this is part number 1. There's a whole kit that's going to be arriving here soon. This is from 1016 Industries. Oh. Are you ready? Wait, are you ready? Whoa, I think I saw it. I saw it already.
I think you're ready now.
Okay, I'm ready. Ooh. Ooh, that is nice. That is sick. Did they give us just one?
Only one.
Only one, okay. We're gonna be half an SV. Look at this. So this is the latest and greatest mod for the Aventador. It is the SV style intake. So this piece is gonna go right here. Like, whoa, that's gonna look so good. We have all this nonsense up in the wheel well that needs to be removed. That's actually the ECU right there. So it's not really nonsense, it's actually very vital, but there's some bolts somewhere in there to remove that panel. Presumably, maybe. We kind of have some good news or bad news depending on your perspective. Probably good news for you, I'm actually leaving right now, but I'm gonna be back.
Bye, James, have fun in Hong Kong.
So, no, whoa, they don't. Good news, the realtor just got back to me and we're gonna go check out that warehouse space. So we're leaving Ty to the Aventador, so hopefully it goes well. It should go well. We are back in the Gallardo and we are headed up to Park City to look at that house/warehouse. It's actually a 2-in-1 combo. The weather in Park City is nonsense. It's absolute garbage. It's snowing, hailing, and sleeting all at the same time, and very, very windy and very, very cold. So my appointment with the realtor is in 10 minutes, so we got some time to sort of like get a lay of the land. I just kind of sort of like dumped the Gallardo here on the side of the road. There's a lot of snow in Park City. So these are the units we're looking at. It's a mix between a warehouse and a house. These warehouses are mixed use. The bottom floor is a garage, like a warehouse space, and then the second floor is actually zoned residential, so I could live up there. There's gonna be 7 total buildings. These 2 are finished. That one's under construction, that one's under construction. There's gonna be 3 more that wrap around there. We're gonna check out this unit right here though. This place is sick. So these units are $725,000. It's mixed use, commercial, residential. You have 3 floors and you can do whatever you want. You can do all 3 floors residential, all 3 floors commercial. The bottom floor is kind of like this daylight basement. And then your middle floor is kind of like your warehouse space. This is where you park the cars. And then the top floor could be where you live, or really whatever you want to do. There is so much square footage right here. Unfortunately, there's not a garage door on the back. But what I'm thinking is, could you put in a car elevator right here? You drive cars down the elevator and then fill this whole space with cars as well. Or, well, and you put a rock climbing wall right there. There's so much creativity you could do in a space like this. Whoa. You could probably park like 5 or 6 cars at least right here. Get that car elevator. You could park another 6 cars downstairs. Then you build out the 3rd floor. That's where the apartment is, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, all that nonsense. This place would be sick. What do you guys think? In the comments below, do you dig it? Or is it kind of like, It's a lot of money. I mean, $725,000 just for the shell, and then probably like $200,000 on top of that. The unit we just took a tour of has actually been sold, but the building way down there is under construction, and that's gonna be finished at the end of April. I don't know, I like this spot a lot. Also, my feet are soaked. So we're back here in Salt Lake City. We're headed back to make some models. Want to get an update on the Aventador before we fly off to Hong Kong in the morning. So I don't think it's gonna be done, but it could be, but it probably won't be, but it could be. We'll see. Every time I arrive to make some models, I always do a fat pull, but today's gonna be just a slight bit different. Jeez. Whoa, check that out. That looks so good. Oh my goodness, like the Aventador does not have any carbon fiber on it, but that is no more. We got the SV style replica intakes. They look killer right there. Now, yes, you can still see the orange down in there. Don't worry, don't fret. When the project is complete, that will be gone, trust me. So the Gallardo is due for its annual servicing, so that's why the car is here. The parts arrive on Friday. When I get back from Hong Kong on Monday, the 1016 bits should be finished. The garage is empty. We just have the Jeep and the R8. We need to pack, and then we are headed off to Hong Kong. What do you think of that warehouse? Super sick setup. This is kind of like a mock-up design of what you could do. Upstairs residential, you got the master bedroom, you got the kitchen, main floor warehouse space, you got that daylight basement. Oh, so we were looking at unit number 11. I love the setup, but 725 grand is a bunch of money. So we are off to San Francisco and then to Hong Kong. So we're just kind of chilling. Oh wait, I know you. What are you doing here? Where are you going?
Are you the same flight?
Where you go? Yeah, where are you going?
San Fran, Hong Kong?
No, wait, me too.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco, where the local time is 1:28 p.m.
Guys, you're never ever gonna believe what happened. Our flight was delayed from Salt Lake to San Francisco, causing us to miss our connecting flight to Hong Kong. So, yeah, we're here for 10 hours. Originally, we were gonna spend 48 hours in Hong Kong. That has now been, well, now we're at 38 hours in Hong Kong, assuming that our flight isn't delayed, so. It's 5:45 p.m. Our flight takes off in 5 hours. We have absolutely nothing to do, so we came here to the Pacific Ocean. So in 5 hours, we are flying halfway around the world to Hong Kong. We are flying business class. I did not pay for this ticket. It is a $7,000 ticket, Cathay Pacific Airlines. So we're quite excited. Yeah, we're just chasing views on views. I think we might get some dinner. Also, it's very windy, it's very cold, so I do apologize if the audio is a little bit shaky, but what are you gonna do? So anyways. You're never, ever gonna believe this. We are flying business class to Hong Kong, so there's actually a lounge that we have been cordially invited to check out. This is the first time and probably the last time we will ever go into a business class lounge. So, as I say, very excited. We 100%, we do not belong here. They're probably gonna ask us to leave. Look at all the free food. Once again, I wore the SpongeBob shirt, so I'm blended in per usual. All the food, all the drinks is 100% free. Like, it's a buffet. Whoa, what is this?
Dude,
We gotta go.
Right now?
Oh,
I just
yeah.
sat down.
Oh, we gotta go.
Get this, you owe me 20 bucks.
Oh no!
24, 25, and 26. Are you kidding me? Whoa! It's a whole cubicle. What? So you're
That's all mine, baby.
I think you're back there. On the middle seat. That's yeah. I have never been so excited for something in my entire life. This is simply unbelievable. Look at the legroom. Like I am stretched out as far as I can go. I'm good. This is gonna be amazing. I realize I feel kind of bad because people are still boarding and it's a 15-hour flight, and I was checking out the reclining ability of the seat. Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's piping hot. This is our dining menu. Everything in here, it's all free. Like there's no price tags. There's snacks available upon request. They got ice cream. They're giving us socks. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great. Thank you. Thank you. The cutlery is chilled. We have chilled cutlery. Nice cutlery as well. We got garlic bread. We got mixed berries. We have something mushy. I'm not really sure what this is. It's not ice cream and it's not sorbet. I think it might be squash. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Well, that is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.